Hi, in this video, I will show two problems, problem number 6 and 7 from the practice exam 4 on chapter 8 and 9 for the intermediate algebra class. First question number 6. Use the properties of logarithms to expand log of y over z to the power of 9. Each logarithm should involve only one variable and should not have any exponents. Assume that all variables are positive. So we have three properties are product rule, the quotient rule, and the power rule. Product rule says log of x times y is log of x plus log of y. Quotient rule is log of x divided by y is log x minus log y. Power rule is log of x to the exponent m is m times log x. So in this problem, we are going to use these properties to expand log of y over z to the 9. So this is a quotient now. This part is a quotient. So we are going to use the quotient rule, the second rule. So log of y divided by z to the 9 is log of the numerator minus log of the denominator. So it is log of y. And we can go further in this. So we can use the power rule next. Log of anything to the exponent is exponent times log x. So we can use that rule. So we can move the 9 in front of the log using the power rule. So 9 times log z. So log of y divided by z to the 9 is log y minus 9 log z. So next we shall do problem number 7. Use the properties of logarithms to expand log of square root of x z cube divided by y to the 9. Each logarithm should involve only one variable and should not have any radicals or exponents. You may assume that all variables are positive. So let's consider log of square root of x z cube divided by y to the 9. If you look at this part, this looks like a quotient, something divided by something. So obviously we apply the quotient rule first. So it is log of the numerator root x z cube minus log of the denominator, which is y to the exponent 9. Now notice the instruction here. Each logarithm should involve only one variable and should not have any radicals or exponent. So we have to continue further. So here we notice this root x z cube is root x times z cube. So now we are going to apply the product rule here. So we will have log of square root of x plus log of z cube. This is by the product rule. Minus, and this is y to the 9. Again, we should not have exponent in the variable. So for that, we'll use the power rule. The exponent can be brought in front of the logarithm, just like the earlier problem. So it is 9 log of y. Again, this exponent in the second term, 3, can also be brought in front of the logarithm. So we have log of, we cannot have radical. This should be written as x to the power 1/2. And this is log 3 log z minus 9 log y. We can go one more step and move the exponent in front and write that as half log x plus 3 log z minus 9 log y. The left hand side is log of square root of x z cube divided by y to the power of 9. So here we are using all the rules, the logarithmic rules, product rule, quotient rule, and the power rule in these problems. Keep in mind that these logarithms, after you expand, should not have exponent in it, and then each logarithm should have only one variable. Hope this video helped.